Hey everybody, we are looking at the Denon DJ SC5000 M, and this is all about Rekordbox. So see this stick? This is a Rekordbox stick, has never been in here before. I'm going to show you just how simple it is. We're going to go down to the front, and in there is the USB. See that? Going there. There's USBs on the back as well too, but we're going to use the front ones. So pop that in, and look, and it says, hey, they found an existing music collection. Would you like to bring it in? Sure. And here's the point. So there's 1,400 tracks. You're going to see it rips through pretty damn quick. It's not a big, long process. Sorry about all the reflections here. It's pretty sunny in the TheDjLab here today, even with the curtains closed. But as you can see, it's ripping through this pretty quick. You're going to see what's going to happen. What it's doing is it's reading the Rekordbox metadata, and it's converting it into Denon engine metadata to create like a whole new section in the stick, right? And really, you got to keep in mind that wasn't hard at all. That wasn't long. So pull up and you look at the playlists, and all my playlists are there. So the only thing that it has to do though, and we're just gonna go techno. So there's all my stuff. So when I sort, for instance, right, my BPM information is all there, but if you notice, not all the key information is there. Some is based on the fact that maybe it was analyzed before and it's in the metadata. So if I pull up a track, what's going to happen if I load that track up, you're seeing it has to build that waveform, but I can start playing immediately. I don't really have any sound going at the moment, but the sound's not that important because, as you can see, the waveform's playing. And what I mean, by time, it doesn't really take very long to analyze a whole track. Unlike the CDJs from Pioneer, that track would literally have to decompress and read the wave file for the same length as a track. So a 7-minute song would take 7 minutes to read. This doesn't take that long. You go back, now you see like the key information is there. I load up that track, and once again I could start playing the track right away. Once again, these are some long techno tracks, 7 minutes. No one's really playing 7-minute songs, but you're getting the idea that it does build that waveform very quickly. Once it does it one time, it's done. You don't need to do it again. So that's about the only downfall, I guess, if you want to call it a downfall of using Rekordbox and these things, is that, you know, that first time around, it has to create everything, right? But, like I said, once you've done it, it's good to go. Now, of course, I do recommend, if you're going to be using these players, it's probably best to use Denon engine, or at least take your Rekordbox collection and let Denon engine convert it over. Because that's exactly what it's doing right now anyways. It's converting it over. It's just doing it one at a time. So if you ran your whole collection through, it would do it very quickly, and you would have your waveforms, your key information, and everything that you need. Anyways, guys, that is it. If you have any more questions about this, feel free to drop some comments below, and I'll try and get back to everybody as soon as possible. Have a great one, and hope you're enjoying your brand new Denon players.